It was my first week in the new school. I was a bit different. They had great cooks. But not everyone shared my passion for good food.
You shouldn't eat that much, she's gonna get fat. Yeah, and she's eating like a pig.
Or my passion for mathematics. Which is so easy, by the way.
Helen, this is great. Well done.
Of course, she's a nerd too.
Yeah.
People didn't like me. I felt worse and worse.
What's this?
A solution came out of nowhere. And there I was, new Helen. Everyone was so surprised.
This is weird. Where are the glasses? Helen, please come.
New looks were not enough for me. I wanted to stop being a nerd too.
I'm sorry, Miss Davis. I don't know how to do this. It's way too big. It's hard.
What was that?
And it worked.
Hey Helen, wanna hang out with us?
Okay, sure.
Finally, I had my own little group. No masks, no glasses, and lots of girly clothes. I became bored soon. It didn't feel comfortable.
I'm so hungry.
I didn't realize this at the time, but everyone in the class was tired of my acting.
Helen, stop pretending you know this.
Come on Helen, this is your last chance to get a good grade.
Yes!
Even my group was happy for me, except for Lucy.
Can you help me?
Oh yeah. So we're supposed to divide the money that she has.
Okay.
By 3. Now divide it.
But she just needed more time.